how to create a stunning presentation with Tome.ai. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first thing here, you can open your Tome AI account, and then here you can just click on the pink button that's create, that's on the upper right corner of the screen, or you can also use these templates provided as well on your dashboard. So you can just simply click on create, and then Tome.ai can definitely generate a stunning presentation for you very easily. So here you can see that there are different prompts. You can just click on the prompt where it states create presentation about, and then you just need to input the topic about the presentation that you want Tome AI to create. So here, the topic that I will be inputting will be about market research. So I'll be perfect market research would be the topic for this, and then just allow Tome.ai to create the presentation for you. This may take a while, and then it will slowly generate each slide for the presentation here. So there's page 1, 2, and page 8 and 9 as well. So once that's completed, what you can do here is that you can browse on the topic. So here, cracking the code of mastering the perfect mass market research. So it also generates a perfect title for your presentation. And then here on the left side panel of the screen, you can see that there are tools as well that you can use to customize as well the presentation that you have. So you can choose what theme you want the presentation to be in. So there's a lot of choices here when you click on page theme, or you can simply just have a tone theme for all of the presentations to have one theme all in all. So here you can use Dune, and then here mastering the code, or you can also modify as well the color of the heading, the font type as well, and the color as well of each letter or each text for a paragraph. So it will have a different color for the paragraph and also different color for the title of that specific topic. Here you can also generate as well a or record a narration while you are presenting. And here on the plus icon, you can add an AI image rather, or you can link it to another website or even your social media accounts. You can add tables just like how you do PowerPoint presentations regularly, like Microsoft PowerPoint. So here on those upper right corner, you can also add comments. Here is where you can share the presentation that you have, and you can even export this into a PDF file. So here, once you are satisfied with the presentation you have, you can simply just click on the play icon, and then you can preview on the presentation you have on your browser. So this is where you can play the presentation, and then you can just click on the image to maximize it, and to minimize, just click on the image again. So you can click on the arrow keys for you to go into the next page. Here, so you can add more image into this, or you can just simply have it as simple as what Tome.ai generated for you. So you can export the PDF file from here, and that's how you create a presentation here using Tome.ai. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.